everybody. My name is Ryss Elijah Semblante, a grade 4 student from Science and Technology Education Center. Today I'm going to be showing my project about how a rainbow is made. This is a science subject. These are my presentation contents. We have the discussion on how a rainbow is formed and the rainbow experiment. How does a rainbow form? A rainbow is made because of light refraction and reflection. This happens in tiny raindrops in the rainbow. It is called dispersion. Dispersion happens when light breaks into different colors. Actually, the white light is made out of different colors of light. That's when you can break white light into different colors. This is the prism. The prism has the ability to break white light into different colors. So that means the prism has dispersion. Now this is what happens inside a water droplet. When light from the sun encounters a water droplet, it penetrates the outer boundary of the droplet. As it enters, the light is bent and scattered. It's a continuous band of colors. These colors are then reflected from off the back of the drop again as they pass through the drop once more, thus being bent or refracted. Still some more. This band of colors is due to the fact that the angle of bending is different for different wavelengths of light. What does Roy mean? A mnemonic device for remembering the colors of a rainbow and their order. R for red, O for orange, Y for yellow, G for green, B for blue, I for indigo, V for violet. The outer edge of the rainbow arc is red, while the inner edge is violet. A rainbow is always directly opposite the sun from the observer, as you can see here. The rainbow's location will appear different for observers at different locations. So these are my references for my video. This is my rainbow experiment. So we use flashlight, a glass container with water, mirror, and bond paper. So that's me. So I did this in my house, and we have our flashlight and a glass of water with a mirror in it. So the glass of water acts as a raindrop. So first we're going to put the flashlight, and then it will disperse into different colors, and then it will be reflected by the mirror into ceiling. So you can see there. Now we're going to cover it with the bond paper to see it better. So we're going to cover the bond paper to see it better. So this is what we have. We have a rainbow. Okay. That's the end of the discussion. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you.